If you want to connect Facebook lead ads to a login form using Zapier, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a simple Zap workflow that captures new Facebook leads and connects them to a form-based automation. This is a great way to save time, stay organized, and automate your lead handling without any complicated coding. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button. Click on it to begin building a new automation. From the options that appear, choose Zap Workflows. This is where you build the connection between your trigger and your action. Now, you'll set up the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose what starts the workflow. In the app search box, type Facebook lead ads and select it from the results. This tells Zapier that your automation will begin whenever a new lead comes in from Facebook ads. Next, choose the event. Select New Lead as the trigger event. This means every time someone submits their information through your Facebook lead form, Zapier will detect it and start the automation. After that, you'll need to log into your Facebook account so Zapier can access the lead form data. Follow the connection steps carefully and make sure the correct Facebook account is selected. Once the Facebook trigger is connected, it's time to add the action. Click on Action to define what should happen after a new lead is captured. In the app search, type Zapier Forms and select it. This is the step where you connect the incoming lead data to a form workflow inside Zapier. After selecting Zapier Forms, choose an event. You can pick any available option depending on the type of workflow you want to build. In many cases, this is where you decide how the lead information will be handled next. Then log into your Zapier account if prompted. This connects the action step to your workspace so the automation can run properly. Now, click Build It at the top to continue. This brings everything together so you can review the flow from start to finish. At this stage, it's a good idea to double check that your trigger is set to Facebook lead ads, your event is set to new lead, and your action is connected to Zapier Forms. Before you go live, click Test Run. This is an important step because it lets you make sure everything is working the way you want. Zapier will try the automation and show you whether the lead data is coming through correctly. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust the setup before publishing. Once the test is successful, click Publish. That's the final step. Your Zap is now live, and from this point on, new Facebook ad leads can flow into your automated setup without you needing to manually copy or move data. And that's how you create a Zapier workflow for Facebook ads and a login form. It's quick, it's powerful, and once it's set up, it can save you a huge amount of time managing leads. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.